Good morning, Kunanda. My name is Dr. Nalluma. I am working as a professor under the Department of Pharmaceutical Analysis at SNS College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences at Coimbatore. Today we are going to learn the new concept related to this volumetric analysis. In this volumetric analysis, today we are going to learn this basic concept about titrant and titrate and indicator and how to arrange this basic setup of these titrations. I am going to explain. Those who are studying in the B.Pharm first semester as per PCE syllabus, in this first unit they have preparation and standardization of different strength of analytical solutions. This relevant practical, today we are going to perform this preparation and standardization of 0.1N sulfuric acid. So we need today's strength, okay, for only 250 ml, we need 0.1N sulfuric acid. So we prepared measuring accurately 2.75 ml of concentrated or a fuming sulfuric acid. It was transferred to 1000 ml volumetric flask, and finally the volume was made up with distilled water up to the mark. So we are taking 2.75 ml of concentrated sulfuric acid. It was dissolved in 1 liter of distilled water. The strength is 0.1 N sulfuric acid. In this preparation done, so now we are going to do the standardization. In this standardization, we have to prepare the sodium carbonate solution needed strength. Today we prepared 0.1 N sodium carbonate solution. So how we prepared this 0.1 N sodium carbonate? We measured 2.65 gram of sodium carbonate. It was previously dried and transferred into 250 ml volumetric flask. We added little amount of distilled water, dissolved properly, then finally this volume was made up with distilled water up to the mark. I mean, we dissolved 2.75 gram of sodium carbonate and this 250 ml of distilled water. So this 0.1 N sodium carbonate solution was taken 10 ml in this conical flask. Then we added indicator as a methyl orange, 2 to 3 drops we are added. So now this is ready for the titration. Before that we was filled this burette with 0.1 N sulfuric acid. So this is, you can see the titrant, okay, here we are taken, the titrate was we are taken in this conical flask. The titrant was, today we are taken 0.1 N sulfuric acid. This is unknown volume and known strength. At the same time, as a titrant, okay, we are taken this sodium carbonate solution. It is known volume, we are taken in this conical flask, but the strength was unknown. So during this titration, we need to follow the basic principles of volumetric analysis. So finally we are going to end with this end point. After getting this end point, the titrant volume we can find out. Then we can find out this, the normality of the prepared sulfuric acid today. So you will start the titration now. So this is the right setup for this arrangements of volumetric titration. So in the left hand we have to hold this burette and the right hand we need to hold this conical flask. So one of my students, okay, going to continue this titration now. This is the right setup for the titration. So those who are new learners, you need to follow this procedure. The selection of titrant or titrate, if you have any doubt, you can mail me or you can give your queries or a request or a question in the comment. Also, you can see my student was okay performed in outstanding way this volumetric titration. He found this endpoint also. So we got this a pale permanent red color. This color is very similar to the strawberry red actually. So the endpoint is we got around 24.9 we got as an endpoint. So we found this titrate value. Now we are going to do the calculation with the help of V1 N1 is equal to V2 N2. In this we need to find out the N2, I mean this normality of the prepared sulfuric acid we can find out, it's N2. N2 is equal to V1 N1 by V2. So with the help of this formula, we are going to find out the normality of sulfuric acid. So here V1 is the volume of sodium carbonate, we are taken only 10 ml. The N1 is normality of sodium carbonate, we prepared 0.1 N. And the V2, the volume of sulfuric acid, we got the titrate value here. So finally we found this N2. We got approximately, this value was 0.0943 as an answer. Thank you all. We hope of SNS institution and SNS College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences. I hope this video is very useful for those who are new learners in the pharma education. Thank you all. Have a nice day.